When you search for electric hand planers, it all looks so similar. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what will get the job done without a headache, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, WN65 36 amp electric hand planer. The WN6530 electric hand planer caught my eye with its bright orange design and a price tag of just $42.88. With a 6 amp motor, it delivers up to 34,000 cuts per minute, making it a solid choice for those looking for efficiency. If you want a reliable tool that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The powerful motor means you can plane through wood smoothly and quickly, which is crucial if you're tackling larger projects. It features 16 positive stops that let you adjust the cutting depth anywhere from 0 to 1/8 inches, ensuring you can get the exact thickness you need for your wood. Plus, it weighs just 6 pounds, making it easy to handle for extended periods. With over 7,900 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clearly a popular choice among DIY enthusiasts. Now, some people complained about the dust collection being less effective than they hoped. Here's the thing though, as long as you keep the dust bag clean and empty it regularly, it shouldn't impact your work too much. For the price, this is a minor issue compared to its performance. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an affordable, reliable planer. Skip this one if you need something with advanced features and higher cutting capacities. Overall, it's a great value for the money. Now, if the WN6530's dust collection bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WN6534 8 amp electric hand planer. Next up is the WN6534, which steps up the game with an 8 amp motor and a slightly higher price of $56.44. This model features a wider 4 3/8 inch cutting capacity, making it perfect for planing 2x4s and 4x4s. If you need a bit more power and size, this is definitely worth a serious look. What's great about this planer is that it still maintains a cutting depth of up to 1/8 inch with 16 positive stops. The two-way dust port is a nice touch too, allowing you to direct shavings to either side, depending on your workspace setup. With a powerful 32,000 cuts per minute, it's designed to handle larger tasks with ease, which is exactly what you need if you're working on bigger projects. It's accumulated over 2,600 reviews and boasts a 4.6-star rating, showing it's a trusted choice. However, some users did mention it can be a bit heavier at 7.5 pounds. That's something to consider if you're looking for lightweight options. But here's my perspective. The extra weight often translates to better stability, which can be beneficial for precise work. This is perfect for you if you're a more serious DIY enthusiast who plans to tackle larger wood projects. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter tool for smaller tasks. It's a solid investment for its performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for compact projects. Product number 3, WN65 28 3.8 amp electric hand planer. The WN6528 is next on the list, priced at just $31.35. This model has a 3.8 amp motor and a compact design, making it great for smaller jobs or those just getting started. If you want something budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, this is worth a look. Despite its smaller size, it still delivers up to 32,000 cuts per minute, which is impressive for its class. It features 9 positive stops for adjusting the cutting depth from 0 to 1/16 inches, allowing for some fine-tuning depending on your project needs. Weighing only 4.3 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. It's received over 2,200 reviews and maintains a solid 4.5-star rating, reflecting its reliability. Now, some buyers mentioned that the smaller cutting width can be limiting for larger wood pieces. But here's the thing. If you're doing detailed work or smaller projects, this limitation is less of a concern and can actually enhance precision. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who works on smaller crafts. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty tool for bigger projects. It offers great value for the cost. Now, if you found the WN6528-2 Limited, the next one might surprise you. Product number 4, DNTI 6.6 amp corded electric handheld planer. Next up is the DNTI 6.6 amp planer at $58.99. I was genuinely surprised by how well this handled tougher wood types without breaking a sweat. If you want something that feels both powerful and precise, this is a solid contender. This model runs at 17,000 revolutions per minute, which means it can actually carve through it efficiently while maintaining control. It's built with an aluminum base that provides durability and stability, essential for achieving a smooth finish. The ergonomic design makes it easy for anyone, from beginners to seasoned pros, to use comfortably. It carries a 4.6-star rating from 365 reviews, demonstrating its effectiveness in real-world applications. However, I did notice some users found it heavier than expected. Sure, it's not the lightest option, but for the power it packs, the weight isn't a deal-breaker. If you're doing extensive work, that added weight actually aids in keeping it steady. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable tool that can handle various materials. Skip this one if you need something ultra-lightweight for quick touch-ups. It's priced well for the quality you receive. Now, let's move on to a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, Vever Electric Hand Planer. Lastly, we have the Vever Electric Hand Planer, priced at $38.70. I was impressed by its performance with a 710W motor running at 16,500 revolutions per minute. If you're looking for efficiency without spending a fortune, this is worth checking out. What sets this planer apart is its high-speed blades, designed to deliver precision cuts that you can count on. It features an adjustable cutting depth control, allowing you to customize depths from 0 to 5/64 inches, which is great for various woodworking needs. And with its included dust collection bag, cleanup is much easier, saving you time after you finish your project. It has 209 reviews with a solid 4.5-star rating, indicating it has satisfied a good number of users. That said, some users found the depth adjustment a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the flexibility it offers makes it a minor issue compared to the overall performance. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable tool for everyday projects without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something with advanced features or specific customization needs. It's a smart choice for the price. That wraps up our reviews. Each of these planers has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what fits your needs best. So there you have it. The WN6530 for budget-conscious beginners, the WN6534 for bigger projects, the compact WN6528, the powerful DNTI, and the efficient Vever. Each has its unique strengths, so choose based on what suits your woodworking needs best. Happy planing!